The MAC leading Falcons return to the Stroh Center this weekend for a conference series against Kent State. With just 5 regular season contests remaining, Bowling Green is focused on playing BGVB and finishing strong in the hopes of making another deep postseason run.
So this is now a time of fine-tuning. You know, we can get a little bit. We always believe we can get better. Our value of excellence is 1% better every day, and we'll continue getting better technically, tactically. But this is the time where the team that will end up at the top is the mindset, is the mental part of the game. Who can push through this final stretch? Who can stay disciplined? Who can, they're tired. Everybody's tired a little bit, you know. Some of our players, you know, everybody has a player on the team that maybe there are some pains and aches and that kind of stuff. This is where that mind has to come through, and you have to control your mind and show that mental toughness and discipline at the end, doing little things really better than your opponent. I think that's gonna come to the end. You know, who's gonna again win the regular season and especially the MAC tournament.
Friday night's contest against Kent State gets rolling at 6 with Saturday's Senior Day match set for 5 o'clock.